Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super quick tutorial on how to speed up video in CapCut. It's quick and easy, let's get started. First open CapCut. And import your video that you want to speed up. Here, you can speed up your entire video like this. But sometimes we only want to speed up a specific section of a video. For that case, select the desired portion of your video section on timeline. Once you have selected, decide the starting point for speed increase. For example, you want to speed up here. Click on Split at top left corner above the timeline. Next, determine the point where speed up should end. Click here. Now the video is split into 3 parts. You can also speed up the whole video by selecting all portions of video. Now we are going to speed up that section. Select it, go to the top right corner, click on Speed and then select Increase the speed as you wish here. Let's set it to 3 times the normal speed. When you play it back, you'll notice the speed increase at the selected part. As you can see, the speed of the selected part has increased. You can also slow down video as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.